Yes. What is your first name?
My name is Christian Hermo.
Middle name?
Geronimo.
Last name?
Hermo.
Height?
5'7". I'm so sorry.
Weight?
54.
Eye color?
Dark brown.
Age?
I am 20 years old.
Birthplace?
Soldier Village at Pasig City.
Nationality?
Filipino.
School?
Matalom National High School, Matalom Leyte.
Special skills?
Dancing, singing, and writing.
Any TV appearances?
Theater.
Workshop? Star Magic.
Star Magic.
Contact number? Contact number?
Wala akong contact. 0942491749.
Can you sing?
Yes.
Sample.
Dream 100,000 dream before. Now I finally realize to see I'm waiting all my life for this moment to arrive. And finally, I believe. Thank you.